Hey guys, first time model car show for me here. SCMA show in North Charleston, South Carolina. I'm really excited. I got 6 cars entered, but from what I'm seeing as far as other entries, oh boy, it'd be a tough task to actually be a winner here. Amazing stuff, and they say this is just a local show. I would be amazed to see what other shows had, but I'm gonna walk around, take a few, show you the cars, look at the stuff the vendors have, and man, this is so cool. Wish y'all could be here. Some of my Facebook and YouTube friends are here, and I've got to meet several of you guys. This is so awesome. So let me take a look around and we'll see what we can see. Stand by. All right guys, so I'm gonna try and talk really loud because there's some copyrighted music in the background, but these cars are, some of these paint jobs are just absolutely amazing. Especially when you get to these two back here. Don't those look awesome? Ha 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 ha. No, these are really cool cars, cool details, really intimidating. Look at those 2 guys back there in the back. Those look familiar to me. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna get away from this music. Stand by. Some of these paint jobs are amazing, absolutely. Guys, check this out. This is the Trans Am Firebird that they put the inline overhead valve 6. Jay Leno's Garage has one of those, and they've customized this. I believe, I don't think this is a kit. If it is, you guys let me know in the comments. I want to get it. It's the Pontiac 69 Firebird, but it's got the overhead cam, I might have said valve, overhead cam inline 6. Really cool. Fiero with a blown front engine. Check it out. This guy looks familiar. Cold Trickle Tribute, I guess. Yeah. How cool is that? So much detail these guys put into these. The cameras on the roof, everything about it is just so highly detailed, so amazing. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, and there's Bigfoot. Gotta have a monster truck. Here's a 12th scale, I think, 57 Chevy, guys. This is the most amazing paint job I've ever seen on a model car. If you were only here to see this, you'd be blown away. Such a gloss. This says team build. I'm not sure what that means, but except the team built it. This is a really cool car. It's a large scale. It says it's a Rolls-Royce, 34 Rolls-Royce Phaeton. There's a drag strip diorama. The dioramas are the coolest, I think. Look at this. There's so much creativity that goes into these things. There's an oil pan turned upside down. It looks like an alligator's head. What in the world? Just parts laying everywhere. So cool. And here's the hubcap king. He's got all the hubcaps. Magazines. A cigar right there in the ashtray. Hubcap ashtray. Newspaper. You can see inside, but not with the camera. Hubcaps everywhere. Got the dog's off the chain. I don't know where he went. So cool. Here's the snow plow. Look at that. Amazing. Then you have the garage diorama. The poor guy fell over. I think he's going into shock. I need to get him. I think he was supposed to be changing a tire or something like that. Maybe the tire exploded. I don't know. Got him. Ladies class. I didn't know ladies built models, but I guess they do. And then we got some Gundams. It's like Japanese robots. That's what it looks like to me. Very, very detailed. Very cool. I gotta film it. People are gonna get mad. They're saying, don't film the airplanes, they're not cars. I got to. I'm not a plane guy, but I love planes. Just don't want to build them as models. He says don't film them.
Your family did too?
Yeah, they went to a shopping center. They don't like it as good as I do. Even though I'm not an airplane builder, I'm an airplane admirer, and I think airplanes are so cool, and I'm pretty good at spotting what they are. Actually, I'm seeing some that I don't know what they are, but the detail that these guys have to put into airplanes is over the top because of the cables, all the little small parts. It's just amazing. These folding wings on this. Let's see, what is this? This is an F6. I thought it was a Hellcat. I wasn't sure. Look at that. Everything, I don't know if they actually articulate, but if they do, it would be so cool. But anyway, these airplane guys put so much time. This F-16, don't think there's ever been a jet as good looking as an F-16. But anyway, moving on. Here's some more armor. This looks like it's made out of, almost looks made out of clay, but it's because it's a desert scene. This motorcycle here, guys, is so darn little. So let me put my hand beside it. Do you see that? There is detail. I can't even see it. Maybe I could zoom up on my camera. So cool. Train things, cannons that ride on trains. Artillery. Boom, that looks like from Civil War. They had a crane to put the ball in there. So cool. Here's a German. You can tell that's German. Little Jeep, teeny. See, look, big. micro snow scene. This is like a Russian shooting a big old rocket out. See the smoke? And here's some big nuclear something. Looks like what North Korea would be driving around, but I think it's Russia, maybe China. Just so many neat things. And this is again a small show. This isn't a big show by any means, but the level, I'm sorry, the level of detail here is amazing. Look at this. So they would lay these sticks out in front of the tank, I think, if they had a bad place they couldn't cross. That is an actual bundle of real sticks. So cool. A few more airplanes, guys. Check this out. Here's a crashed airplane scene. They're throwing him the life raft. He's catching it. Wow. Little small ship. I wish Ruthie would have brought her ship. I didn't even think about it. But we could have brought Ruthie's ship and entered it. Look at this. All the little planes. Planes everywhere.
0395.
They're calling out raffle numbers right now. I did not enter. I've been talking with some friends. Submarine, got the lighting shining up in it so you can see the inner workings of the submarine. These are just so cool. Even if you're not a builder of all these things, it's just so neat to see the detail that people put into them. Like these figures here. There's Luke Skywalker. And a couple of birds. It's like a dinosaur bird, some sort of fire-breathing dragon, and then we've got an eagle. Alright guys, so here's some of the kits that are offered here at the show. I saw some that were from videos that I've done on the history of the 32 Ford. I'll show those to you real quick. These kits here, really old kits. But I did the video on the history of the 32 A&T kit, and these were on that. Not these obviously, but pictures of these. So these are amazing. So again, what I've heard is this is my first show, but they say this is a really small show. But for what? There's so many kits, and I've already bought quite a few. But there's so many available. So cool. Glad to know that people have these for people. Look at that. That's got to be a unique one right there. That's Rusty Wallace Grand Prix. Wow. Just so many cool kits here. Polar Lights kit here.
If you're recording, you need to get my good side.
Oh, she says get her good side. There she is. So I've already bought several from this fella here. Great prices. That's that awesome kit right there. 15 bucks, you can't beat it. I've seen this one on the internet. Seems like it's really expensive. Going for only $22. Yeah, you have to be real careful like me when you come here, because there's so many that you have at your fingertips. I mean, you go to Hobby Lobby and you don't get, you can't find but just a limited amount of kits, and you come here and there are just tons of them, old ones and things like that. Can't wait to go to a bigger show to see even more, although I couldn't afford it. But anyway, this is so cool. But yeah, this is really neat. I'm glad you guys came along and checked this out. I'll have I'm going to stay to the end, obviously, because I've got a few cars entered, and we'll see the award ceremony and things like that. So you guys just stand by again. Guys, look at this kit here. I was just trying to figure out some sort of outlaw by Ed Big Diddy Ruth. Big Diddy Ruth. That's pretty cool. So here's all the awards. There's stacks of them too. It's stacked up. So there's all kinds of classes and all kinds of awards. So cool. Hopefully I can take one of these home. That would be so awesome. All right, so that wraps up our day. It's kind of a long day. Really made the day long standing a lot, but it was a lot of fun, and I didn't win anything, but I met some friends, got to buy some model kits, spent the day, part of the day with my wife and 2 girls. There's Ellie, the invisible child on the videos, and there's Ruthie. And we're heading back, 3.5 hour drive, but thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, join the Facebook group, go to Hobby Nut Models, all those linked in the description. Go buy a t-shirt, that'll help me with gas money on the way home. And just thanks for all you guys do. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.